Crock-Pot Artisan Round Enameled Cast Iron Dutch Oven, 7 quart, slate gray with lid. Hand wash recommended. Perfect for slow cooking, simmering, braising, baking and more. Durable cast iron construction retains and distributes heat evenly. Porcelain enamel finish is easy to clean and naturally non-stick. Move effortlessly from stove to oven to table with the versatile Crock-Pot Artisan Dutch Oven. Made of durable cast iron with an easy-to-clean and naturally non-stick enamel finish, this American classic is perfect for roasting, slow cooking, simmering, sautéing, baking and more. Whether you're making everyday one-pot meals or special Sunday roasts, this kitchen essential serves up consistently delicious results. Top reviews from the United States. Heavy and easy to use. I have owned a lot of enameled cast iron. If it doesn't work for me, I donate it or give it to those who want it. This is a keeper. The sunset orange umber is gorgeous. I much prefer a white interior, which this has. The shape is great for Dutch oven cooking. It is heavy. I made sloppy joes in it last night. I have a glass top electric stove, which I hate. But here is how I cook on it. Pot on stove. Add 1/4 seawater or oiled butter to cover the bottom of pot. Heat slowly on 2, just past low, for 10 minutes. Then I add my meat for sautéing, or whatever. My top temp is 3. Never higher. These pots retain heat for a very long time. I never ever heat a dry pan. After cooling, I hand wash in warm water, with just a dab of soap and a gentle scrubby. No scouring. I dry it immediately and put it away with a layer of paper towel or a dry dish towel between lid and pot. Otherwise, the tight seal between pot and lid will create rust. I hate fiddling with complicated cookware. These pots allow me to make slow-cooked food easily.